Here you have pick one. Here you can see two objects, we can say. This is your first object. This is your second object. What you have to do? You have to write down the expression for the first object and then the second object. Okay. Expression for their length. What is the length from here till here and from here till here? So you have to write down the expression for the lengths of the both objects, and then you have to find out their total length. Total length means if we pick these two up and keep over this toothpick, what will be the total length? Okay, so that you have to visualize that. So what did I say? The length of the first object, second object, then visualize that they are kept one over the other and write down an expression for the total height. So this is your first pick. What to do? Length of first object, length of second object, total height means total length. Then the second, height of the first object, height of the second object. Okay, and the third thing, total height means you have to add the two expressions. Here is the third object. The first is from here till here and the second is from here till here. So 1, 2, the third toothpick is not full. It's just from here till here. So you have to write down the expression for their heights. This you can write easily, but how to write this? To help you, I just want to tell you how much has been reduced. Okay, so here is an explanation. So this reduced part is actually equals to a matchstick. Now you can easily write down the length from here till here. No? Is this 3 toothpicks? No. It is 3 toothpicks minus 1 matchstick. Okay, so I actually spoon fed you here. So you can easily write down expression for this as I said earlier. Then you have to add the two heights to write down the total height. So this was your third sum. Now the fourth one is this. What's the height of this? And what's the height of this from here till here? Okay, now this is here to help you out to write down the expression for this height. Then you have to add the two heights. Then the fifth one is here. You have to find out the height of first object, and first object is from here till here. Remember, these matchsticks are here just to tell you what part of the toothpick has been reduced. Okay. Then let's say this is sixth one. So these were two pencils of the same length. They were differing in color, but the length was same. So what's the height of this object from here till here, and of this red pencil from here till here only? Okay, so you have to find out this height and this height, then you have to add the two heights. So this was your sixth one. I forgot to number it. This is sixth. Now here's the seventh one. This pencil, the height of the first object from here till this point, and the height of this from here till this point. Then you have to add the two heights. So this was your seventh one. Just find out the total height of these 7. In fact, what will you write? The first object, second object, then the total height in each of the 7 cases.